All right, here's today's project. All of these boards up here need to be replaced as far as I can tell. They're pretty well rotted. And then down here, try to suck some of this. I think the boards are fine. I just need to maybe screw it back to make it look a little flatter. You know, I'm no professional. I'm just gonna get this shit done. I'm just gonna dive in and get this shit started, guys. You gotta start somewhere, you know what I mean? Can't finish if you don't start. So we're just gonna start ripping this shit off because it is rotted. Look at this crap, it just crumbles in my hand. Yeah, buddy. So we need to take all of this shit right off of the house and replace it so that it is a little bit better. So once I get all these damn boards off and I stop dropping shit in my eyeball, probably should have worn these safety glasses from the beginning, it looks a lot better, right? Already. Now I just have to cut up all these pieces and get them ready. More tools that I'm not really sure I should be using, but hey, whatever. I'm getting it done. We got to rip these down to, I think it was 3 1/4 inch, something like that. I don't fucking know. But this thing works a lot better ever since I waxed the surface of it. Highly recommend that. A little bit of finishing wax on the table saw makes it fucking glide like it's brand new. Then we put these pieces back up, secure them as best we can. Again, no professional, just trying to get shit done. Using the old speed square there to keep my cuts straight because, yep, I'm just a cook. Redneck with a fucking circular saw. Putting it all back up, baby. Here we go. Done. All right, just like that. Look at that beautiful work. Huh? I'm no professional, but that looks a lot better than it did. Now I can get it sanded and painted. Even secured some of this shit down low. Getting it ready, baby, getting it ready.